Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I wanted to go ahead quickly and announce the giveaway winner for the Carrie L mini meal planner that I shared last week on the grocery haul. And the giveaway winner is Julie Sertman. So Julie, if you could email me your contact information with your full mailing address. If you're not in the US, I'll obviously need your country so I can fill out the customs form, and go ahead and email me that information as soon as possible. My email is GradysMomOfficial@gmail.com. It's also linked in the description box of every video in case you don't know the correct spelling for that. But yes, as soon as you email me, I'll email you back to let you know I got it, and I will get that shipped out to you as soon as possible. So congratulations. Thank you everybody who took the time to enter that giveaway. There were over 660 entries, so I really truly appreciate all that interaction. And let's go ahead now and get into my meal plan for this week as well as my grocery haul. Alright guys, so it is a really gloomy day, and I decided to film over here because it's actually a little easier because my fridge is right here, so I can just put stuff away after. So a majority of this stuff is from Walmart. There are just a few things from Price Chopper that Walmart doesn't carry. Everything combined between Walmart and Price Chopper was about $150. So hopefully that helps. I think I'm going to start this way and work my way around. It's Father's Day weekend coming up, as you know, so I grabbed my dad some beer. I'm just going to put a bow on it and bring it over as like a little Father's Day treat for him. A gallon of water for the coffee maker. I got some individual Pringle cups for Matt's lunches or my son to take on the go, or even myself. Some Gatorade Flow. This is the Title Punch flavor. I got some vanilla Jello. I've actually been Jello pudding, I should say. I've actually been into pudding lately. Like at night I'll want like a pudding. So I got some vanilla and some chocolate. My son and my husband eat these as well. I got a couple things of mac and cheese by Kraft. I got some tricolor rotini for pasta salad, and then I got some ziti for recipes. And then underneath, let me move this over, underneath that chocolate pudding, I grabbed a candy that I've been loving for the past month. It's the Sweet Tart Ropes. I don't know, they're just really good, and they just satisfy my sweet tooth. So I got those as a little treat. I got some Scoops Tostitos corn chips, some aged white cheddar sour cream Cape Cod chips. These 2 bags of apple chips are from Price Chopper, so they're cinnamon and caramel. They're really good. I got some pepperoni for pizzas and snacking. Got a big bunch of fresh parsley, some pepper jack cheese sticks for my husband, some mini little, these are like the half-size mini corn on the cobs to do like on the when we're grilling one night, to throw these, maybe even on the grill actually, just do a little mini corn on the cobs. Some hamburger rolls, because we're always having people stop over and grilling stuff up. This is a 1.5 pounds of jumbo shrimp from the Price Chopper seafood counter. It's all wrapped up, but it's jumbo shrimp for a recipe. Some Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage. I love this stuff. I've been using it for years. I got some salsa verde because I want to do my white chicken chili in the next couple weeks. So I wanted to get that to have it. I got a thing of, these are the Farm Ridge Garden Fresh like crisp dill pickle slices. I love these for snacking or to have like with a sandwich or on a burger. I grabbed some combos just in the regular cheddar cheese pretzel flavor. I got a couple of these. I talked about this one, I believe it was last week, the Super Blend. I love these. They're $2.98. Really easy to cook up, guys. I just saute them in a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper, and you can really build and add whatever you want. But I also saw this one, which was the same price. This one is essentially around the same thing, except this one has beets in it, which I really love. So again, same price. Gonna try this one out. Love doing these for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I actually think I'm gonna saute one of these up when I'm done filming this and make a couple eggs, because I've just been craving like sauteing this up, a couple eggs, piece of toast. It's like a really filling good breakfast. But yeah, check these out if you're into like the super blends, kale kind of thing. So they're really, really good. I got a dozen of the cage-free large brown eggs. I got 2 things of bacon, so I got the Hormel Black Label and the thick cut Oscar Mayer to throw in the freezer. I got a couple small little ice cream cakes for Father's Day. So this one's going to be for my father-in-law. We're going to have a barbecue at his house Sunday for lunch. And then Sunday for dinner, we're having a cookout with my dad. So we're going to have 2 cookouts on Sunday. So we're going to do the celebration roll and then the ice cream cake, which will be nice because I won't have to cook on Sunday. I got some Townhouse original crackers for a recipe. I actually need to crumble those up for the recipe. A big thing of iceberg, some of the P3 portable protein packs, which is nuts, meat, and cheese. A Stonyfield half-gallon of our whole milk that we get pretty much like once a month. I got some quartered artichoke hearts for pasta salad, some of the Angus bacon cheddar beef patty things. I love to have burgers and dogs in my freezer at all times. Again, summer, and now that we're back home, people are constantly stopping by, and I always like to be able to offer them something quick that I can throw on the grill. So a couple things of cream of chicken soup. I go through this quite a bit because I make my hash brown casserole like every other week. I think I said artichoke hearts. I got some rainbow sprinkles for different things. A couple of these brown cow whole milk non-GMO yogurts in the cherry vanilla. I've never tried these, but I would kind of curious about them, so I wanted to try them. I got a mini seedless watermelon. Walmart. It was like $3. Looked really good. I got some croutons for salads. I like the Caesar flavor. A couple large lemons for a recipe, and then some Stonyfield yogurt sticks. This is the strawberry, I think. Strawberry? Yeah, or 4 cherry, 4 berry, sorry. But yes, this is everything, guys, from both stores, $150, and I'm gonna go ahead now and share my meal plan for the week. All right, guys, so meal plan for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. As you know, Sunday is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And I don't have to cook because, again, I'm going to my in-laws' house for a barbecue for lunch, and then my parents' house for a barbecue for dinner. So that's Sunday. One night I'm going to do some chicken wings on the grill. I'm going to make some roasted sweet potatoes with a little cinnamon sugar, and then some of the tri-colored quinoa that I got a couple weeks ago. I'm going to do a new recipe. Actually, I shouldn't really say it's new, but I haven't done it in a long time. It's called baked stuffed shrimp, which is why I got the shrimp. And you actually use a like a buttery cracker as part of the filling. So I got those Townhouse. I will go ahead and link this recipe down below. It's really good if you like shrimp. So I'm going to make that with rice or potatoes and then some kind of veggie. We're having some friends over one night, so we're going to do burgers and hot dogs for the adults or the kids. And then my son will make a pizza with the 2 other little kids that are going to be here. I'll cut up some fruit for everybody, and then I'll make a quick, easy pasta salad. I have a very easy go-to pasta salad recipe. I'll link that below as well. Another night we're going to do sausage and peppers with onions on the grill. We'll do the sausage on the grill, and then we'll have the peppers and onions in our little grill pan, and we'll grill them up. I'll make a salad, and then I'll make some oven potato wedges using just regular red potatoes. One night for no meat, I'm going to do that superfood stir fry that I've been raving about, the one I got at Walmart. I'll saute that up. Again, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, very minimal. I'll make some eggs to put on top. I like them nice and yolky. And then I'll make some sweet potato, like home fries. I'll just cut up some sweet potatoes and pan fry those in a little coconut oil. So that'll be a good meatless dish. And then, of course, my breakfast or leftovers for dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's grocery haul and meal plan. Again, have a very happy Father's Day, and if you are a dad, happy Father's Day to you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.